Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there on this Money Monday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, if you haven't checked out my crypto projects, do yourself a favor. Go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. Alright, we're back with an update for Stable Swap for Money Monday. Oh my. We're at 2,112 providers. The liquidity is growing and growing and growing. We're at 2,167,853 in the liquidity pool. That is so awesome. All right, guys. And we've got several. I think we got about 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 provisions. Okay, where I've actually park crypto in the platform, and we got these are working for us 7 days a week. You can withdraw from this platform any day and every day. The minimum withdrawal in your account must be at least 50. That's crypto in, and this is crypto out. Okay, they only operate in 2 coins, USDT and USDC. All right, they've got 3 liquidity pool terms that you can get started with. The short term is 60 days, 0.1% per day, 7 days a week, as I stated. They have a medium term, 120 days, 0.2% per day. Then they have the long term, 300 days, 0.35% per day. It's about 10.5% a month. Okay, guys? Pretty conservative, not over the top. This is not a hype, as I mentioned to you guys. I'm not getting any hypes no time soon. Unless the programs I'm in come up with another opportunity, but we're gonna stick and stay with what we've got. All right, so far all is going well, and we're just gonna keep it moving. All right, so we've got 3 terms you can select from. You can have many of these as you would like. As I said, I've got 9 of them going right now. We've made a couple withdrawals on the platform, no issues, no drama. Going smooth. We go to the dashboard here. Let's see what we got going on. This thing is growing pretty quick. We just withdrew from it last week, right? We zeroed it out. Again, the minimum is 50, and it's already back up at 34 bucks, guys. And guess what we're gonna do with this one? We're just gonna add us another provision. The minimum is 25 bucks USDT. I'm just going to add that one back. We withdrew last week. We've got 597.39. Lifetime rewards 114. So shout out to everybody that's gotten started. Welcome and congratulations to all the stable swappers. All right, so that's what we got going on here. You can look at your history and see your rewards. All right, as they come through here, day after day after day after day. Daily staking profit. Okay, transaction history. You can go here, and you can just change this calendar date up here so that you can see the latest. But yeah, deposit, withdrawal, liquidity. All right, it's a pretty simple platform. Okay, it's nothing complicated here. They've got a couple tabs here. You're gonna either deposit, withdraw, or you can do internal transfer. They did add 2 new features though. I'll show you that in a second. So the internal transfer, right here, you can send someone within the platform crypto, right? And it'll show up on their dashboard. You select the coin, USDT or USDC. All you need is their username and email, and the amount you want to send them. The minimum is 25, and you're going to be charged with a 0.5% fee. Okay, there. Versus over here, the 2 new features they added, of course, is a calculator. You can play around with that and put an amount in there and kind of see what the projection of what you're going to receive there. But this feature here, the gift liquidity versus the internal transfer, with this one you actually going to give someone a provision, okay, an actual liquidity pool. Here you actually select the term. The transfer is just sending crypto directly to someone. Here you can actually select the liquidity pool, and you're gifting them a liquidity pool, and there's no fees with this one. Select the currency, you need their username or email, and enter the amount. The minimum is 25, and there is no fee for this one to actually gift someone an actual liquidity pool. Okay, so pretty cool stuff. All right, guys, so that's how that goes. If you were interested in getting started, you will click deposit here. Make sure you're using risk capital because we're dealing with crypto. All right, so you click deposit, you select your coin. If you select USDT, there's 3 chains: the Tron chain, Ethereum, or Binance. If you select USDC, you have Ethereum and Binance. Those are the options, okay? So let's say if you select the USDT Tron, you just click here, scan the QR code, send your crypto right into the platform, okay? Tells you here that the minimum is 50, and if you deposit any less than 50, they're going to charge you $3.50. So make sure you do this correctly, okay? Take your time. All right, so you just do that, send the crypto right over to the platform, right? Once it shows up here in this wallet, let's get back over here, see right here in the wallet, then you come over here to liquidity pool and you select your term. Very simple. Click here and you would see your balance right in here in either one of these, whichever one you put the coin in, which wallet. And you type the amount you want. The minimum is 25, and you accept the term here. Click this little box and then click confirm. Boom, you just purchase yourself a liquidity pool. It's very simple, okay? And if you're going to withdraw, as I stated, the minimum is 50. You don't have to click up here and connect your wallet. That's not required. All you'd have to do is come down here, put the wallet address in here where you want to you withdraw, where you want your funds to go, and then the amount, and boom, hit submit. That's it. You'll get it in so many hours, no more than 24 hours, okay? Pretty cool stuff. The affiliate side, they're paying 5% on level 1. The level 2 and level 3 is going to be going away before this month is out, because they don't want to be attached to a stigma of an MLM with having all those levels, right? You see a lot of platforms with a bunch of levels. That's what happens, and then other things happen that shouldn't probably happen. So they're going to be taking these two levels away, but we're getting 5% on level 1, which is great with me. And then we're also able to earn 10% on everybody that you bring in their gains, okay? As long as you got 100 in liquidity pool parked in here. What does that mean? So if you sign me up, you're gonna make 5% on what I put in, right? And then daily I'm earning, right? So you're gonna make 10% on my gains every day, okay? So imagine getting 10% on everybody that you're bringing in, okay, on their gains, what they earn every day, okay? So if I earn $10 a day, you get 10% of it, and then you get 10% on the next person, and the next person, and the next person, and the next person, okay? As long as you've got 100 in liquidity pool, okay, which would be over here, right? So you have 100 minimum, right? That's what they're saying. So you could have 2 of these, a 60 and a 40, long as it totals 100. You'd get that 10% on their gains. Pretty cool stuff. All right, that is how that goes. This company is out of Philippines. The owner of this company is hands-on. That's the other thing that I like about it. We know who he is. He's really hands-on. He's doing these different casual Zooms every week. And he's out in the Philippines, and he said people can come out there and check him out. Come see him. All right, so Danny D, shout out to Danny D and the gang. All right, so guys, what I'm gonna do is get me another liquidity pool with this amount here. So all I'm gonna do is go over here, because the funds are already here. See, this is from the earnings. I haven't, you know, made a deposit, right? Since that last one that I did. What did I do? Let's see. On 3/17, we did a long term here, but I haven't actually parked any more crypto in here. This is just earning on its own, right? So like I said, I'll be withdrawing and adding, withdrawing and adding. Okay, not just compounding to the moon, as they say. So we're gonna just go ahead and add us another one with that. We're gonna click liquidity pool, click provide liquidity. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this in here. Let's go here. We'll just take it all, that way it's evened out. Boom, boom, boom. Click here, accept the terms, click confirm. USDT, new liquidity. They tell you the amount. That's at 0.35% per day. Confirm purchase, confirm. Boom, your request has been processed. So we go back. Well, it should be right here. If we refresh. Yep, there it is, guys. Okay, zeroed it out. All right, so we've got 10 liquidity pool provisions in the platform. Shout out to Stable Swap. All right. So if it sounds like something you're interested in getting started with, guys, go ahead, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check it out. See what it's all about. All right. See you guys on the next video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.